Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about simple past tense. In video number 1 we learned that simple present tense. Video number 2 we will learn about present continuous tense, and video number 3 we will learn about perfect present tense, and video number 4 you will learn about the types of the verb. Now, video number 5, we will learn about simple past tense. In simple past tense, first we will discuss about positive statement. How we will make positive statement in simple past tense. First, structure of simple past tense. In video number 4, we learned that types of the verb: V1 base form, V2 past form, and V3 past participle. So in simple past tense, we will use past form of the verb. That means V2. Subject V2. That means past form, and then object. It is a structure of simple past tense. Now we will make the statement. Number 1. He ate an apple. He means subject. Ate means V2 past form. An apple, that means object. So here in that subject, he, she, it, we, you, they, that means we will use only verb number 2 past form. It is a singular, and here V2, that means subject, V2 and object. Number 2, it is an example of plural. The children, that means subject. The children knew. The children knew the answer. It is a object. The children knew the answer. Here subject plus V2 plus object. Number 3. Number 3 also we are taking singular. The kite. Who will tell me the verb number 2 of fly? So in video number 4 already you learned that past form of the fly is flew, not fly. So the kite flew into the air. So here kite, it is a subject, flew, it is a verb number 2, into the air. It is a object. And one more example. She sat on a chair. She, subject, sat, V2, and on a chair. It is a object. These all are the examples of positive of simple present tense. So let's observe this statement and then we will start the negative. Okay, now we will discuss negative structure of simple past tense. So here in negative structure, first of all, subject will come. Subject, do you know very well? He, she, it, we, you, they. That means subject, then did, then not, then V1, then object. Do you know very well? Structure of the positive, subject plus V2 plus object. But in negative structure, something is different. What is the different? Whenever positive statement convert into negative, at the time we are using did. And whenever we are using did in the statement, after that we will use verb number 1, that means base form. Base form. Don't use past form. Okay. So now let's solve some example. Positive statement we will convert into negative statement. Do you remember very well? Here it is the subject. That means subject. He, then did. That means did. Did, then not, then what is the base form of at, eat, then object and apple. Understood? So number 1, he, that means subject, did, number 2, then not, number 3, eat, number 4, and an apple, it is number 5. So here he did not eat an apple. Don't write here at an apple. That means it is wrong. So after did we will use V1. Second one, give the answer to me. The children, subject, then did not. What is the base form of new? No. The answer. So in this statement we have changed this part. Did not know. Next, the kite flew. What is the base form of flew? Base form of the flew is fly. So the kite fly into the air. And last one, C. Sat. That means third one is right. The kite fly into the air. Because in this statement we have forgot to write did not, because we are converted into negative. So remember properly, the kite, first one we have done, second number we have not written, second and third. So we have to add here like that. The kite did not fly into the air. And last, C did not sit on a chair. So I hope that you understand very well positive and negative. Now we will discuss about the question. You will revise and then we will start question part. Hello friends, now we will discuss about question structure of the simple past tense. Here we have a two structure, with WH and without WH. So first of all, without WH, did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. So did, here we are using did. So again we will put the V1, that means base form. So here did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. And another one, if we want to use WH means what, why, where, when, how many, how much, etc. WH did subject V1 object and then question mark. So let's solve some example. First statement we will convert into two type and then remaining directly. Whenever we will ask without WH, at the time we will get answer in yes or no. He ate an apple. That means did he ate means eat an apple. Yes, he ate an apple. No, he did not eat an apple. Here, then what did he eat? That means answer will come an apple. He ate an apple. Number two, the children knew the answer. So did, number one, did, then subject, the children knew V1, no, then object, answer, question mark, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here did the kite fly into the air? Question mark. And last, did she sit on a chair? Question mark. So this दिस इज अ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस। तो जिस तरह से सिंपल पास्ट टेंस को आपको पहचानना है, तो एक शॉर्ट रास्ता है। जब आप सब्जेक्ट के बाद V1 नहीं V2 आप जब देखोगे तब वो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस होता है। और इन नेगेटिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव, दैट मीन्स इन क्वेश्चन, if you are using did, so it is a example of, it is a statement of simple past tense. Thank you very much.